Okay, the side door? Yeah. Do you guys mind if we record for liability in YouTube?
Fine.
Okay. Just wanted to check before we... Just record the whole job, the whole process.
Yeah. Last time Roto-Rooterman, he went through this way and it was just like the toilet paper. You get sort of a little tight.
Okay.
Alright, so you just, you know what you're looking for. And the wires, I mean, they're fine. I mean, as long as it's not bothering you. Yeah, I don't care, you know.
Is it a computer or... Oh, it's their internet.
It's all of it.
Yeah, it's all of it, just like you said.
Oh.
All of the other way.
Yeah. Yeah, we can probably pull it that way.
You got one of the thing that's got like the camera on it too or something? Or?
We do have a camera, but our snake, the snake that we snake it out with first doesn't have the camera.
Here's what I did.
Yeah,
Chuck.
we use a
Oh,
big
that's on
one.
too.
Yeah, we use a big one. Yeah, this is all connected together, Scott.
Yeah, the print is on it too.
Yeah, the last time I had Roto-Rooterman, he just did that. He had the thing on the thing, yeah, and he had a good one, the camera on it and stuff. There was a toilet paper kind of before the door over there.
So he went back up?
No, he went right out to here. He had the camera showing me, and then he actually put it on to show me outside to the street too, right to the soil, just the condition it was in. You know, but it's like the cat. He went to here.
So he went back up the line then?
Yeah, so that's gonna be a T or something.
Right.
Right.
I didn't bring the flashlight. It's in the
Right,
bucket.
like when you go down in there, that's what I just did with the snake. When I did with the snake here, I put it in here.
Oh.
And to the right, see what you got? You got, that's where it's coming from. See a little water?
Yeah, there is
the
a
pipe comes from there, and
T-scoop.
then the other one obviously
We'll
goes
probably
to
use
the
the
street.
FlexShaft then.
Alright.
What are you guys doing, right?
You know what I mean? Then we don't have to, we can actually, if it's inside, then we can use the K9. And then we don't have to worry about the wires, because it's,
All contained.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to start to run a little water.
Yeah. Is he backed up already?
No, there's nothing in the shower.
I'm not in there now.
Yeah, we're gonna run a little bit of water.
Sure. Yeah, I know. Huh?
Oh, it's bubbling.
Bubble.
Did it come by there?
That's the first time it went down.
No, I didn't see it come by. I didn't hear it.
Alright. Let me pull
didn't
this.
come by.
Here, you want to pull this and I'll just use the screwdriver?
Yeah, that's the first time it flushed like that. I've been doing it. It's just forever like doing the plunger and it just don't do anything. So frustrating.
Usually I can get this right away.
They usually.
Yeah, if you can flush again. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's nice that no water went by. You know how light it
We'll have two pairs just in case. But sometimes I rip through them, you know.
Yeah.
You guys need anything from me?
No.
No. I was
going
going to give them back to you. After.
Turn you guys on till tonight after this.
I mean, it's my husband's company, so when the phone rings, I typically go.
Oh, yeah.
You want to shine the light in here for me, real quick?
You got it. Once you can see it, you got it.
I'll just leave that I was gonna say, it sounds like someone's flushing again. There you go.
Here she just did. See?
Well, it's full now, Scott.
Yeah.
You need me to get in there?
Yeah, I can't put my hand in there. I can't fit it. It won't fit in. I tried. I can't get it to go up.
I got it.
Going all right, man. Yeah. No. I can't tell.
I'm gonna hit this with the plunger.
No, don't.
I'll have to fit it overboard here.
No,
Yeah.
it shouldn't. It should be fine.
Yeah, you know something? I think it's just
I'm still filming this way.
I'm good with it. Thank you. All right, I'm ready to go.
Huh?
I'm ready to go. It's off right here at the edge, so. can just move that this way so it's not.
All right, you ready?
Yep. Oh, wait.
Yep. Yeah, it's like a curve to go the other way. It wants to go the other way.
I gotta try to shove it up further.
Yeah, you gotta get up a little further. So you get the cable going up too.
Go ahead. Go ahead, it's. I'd rather have that over here so that they can see the water go by. Down in the drain, you know what I mean? He hates it when I tilt it down, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So that they can see what's going on in there. Alright, go ahead. Should I go out the other way, you think? There's no wipes or anything on it. It was just a big paper clog up there.
Really?
Yeah.
Must not have a great pitch for it's a lot of scale.
It doesn't. There's a lot of buildup though. Even right here, there's a ton of buildup.
Yeah.
Like it's bad. But it's taking all the water going out. So.
Would it help it like with a scale in there without if you went out a little bit, at least 10 feet? I just don't want you to go into Orangeburg. We don't know.
Right. This area is Orangeburg everywhere, so I'd rather not.
Yeah.
Get off my chains.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Should I try to clean up right here though?
You can. Can't hurt. Ready?
Come on. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, that's probably as good as that's gonna get. I'm not spraying myself in the face too much.
Not worth it.
No. Alright, we're done.
What's that got on the end of it?
They're chains.
Chains.
Yep.
So what you see flying by, just a lot of toilet paper?
Toilet paper and yeah, just build up. So my recommendation next time,
Right.
maybe we can come in with the bigger one of these and go back up with the camera involved too. And then we can descale the inside of your pipe so that you don't continue to have this
You
problem.
mean to scale like clean?
So it basically, it'll take your cast that you have and it scrapes off the all the rust
Right,
and the
right,
scale
right.
build up in there,
Yep.
and then we can just run a ton of water at the same time.
Wow.
But I need to go in there with the camera too, so that way there we can see everything that we're
doing.
scraping it down.
Right, now that makes sense, because when I seen it the last time, it makes sense now, because I seen it, to scrape all the crap out of it.
Right.
To make, yeah.
So
Yeah,
that's
they change like this, they whip around, but we
They're-
don't see the whole thing.
Right,
So
right.
you're just going by feel.
And they're bigger.
Yeah.
They're bigger than that.
Right.
All right, so keep that running, or?
You can keep it running or you can shut it
Yeah.
off. I mean, it's running. It's coming clear, so
Yeah,
you're
wanna push it
good.
one more time anyways? Is
Yeah.
that-
Yep.
Let's see it go by. Let's watch it go by.
That it's great. It's a good enough flow, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, she cranks right out.
Yep.
So the shower gone. Upstairs. And the flush up here too.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Well, yeah, more the better.
Yeah, absolutely, I agree.
Man, I don't see any more dirt coming out either.
No, there's nothing.
Did good. It did good.
Alrighty, everybody. That takes care of that one. So wish us luck on our next upcoming